I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable transaction alerts on your Barclays app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile or Account section. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find the Notification section. This is where you can manage all alert preferences. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha, make sure to check the specific types of alerts you want, like for withdrawals or deposits, as they can be set individually. Step 5. Confirm your settings. After enabling the alerts, double check that your settings are saved. You might receive a confirmation message indicating the changes have been applied. Now you're all set to receive alerts for your transactions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy banking!